Agents, hey, this is Luis Moreno with Think Medicare, Think ACA. Today, January the 7th, I'm sending out over 2,400 emails for renewals for my ACA book. I'm going to show you guys how I did it and then how I edited that email so that it works best for me. Okay. All right. So, but before I do that, please comment. Please like this video. Give me a thumbs up. And I'm trying to grow this channel. So if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. All right. So how do you send renewal emails to your book of clients through HealthSherpa? So here's what you do. Okay, so I am showing you here. You can go to your clients tab, and what you're going to do is you are going to click on renewal email. That's it. Okay, now you can, before you click on here, if you just leave this all unchecked, it's going to choose your entire book. Okay. If you are only want to select a select number of people, then you can check each of these people and then hit renewal email. The screen that populates next is this renewal email. Now you'll notice here that I selected 441 or 4,141. 527 of these people have no email addresses, so they're not going to get anything. 8 of which have reached the 3 renewal emails, 4 of which have unsubscribed. That's not bad. And 665 which have renewed, which I know that number is not right. And then it tells me that 1,204 clients will receive this. Well, when I click send, I think it went out to like 2,500. I don't care. Let them get the email. I'm already getting calls and texts. Now,
guys, I've got a community of ACA and Medicare agents that we're putting together. 25 years in business is what I'm going to be sharing with you. Guys, come join us at the community, a community of ACA and Medicare agents, and we'll show you how to grow.
You can change your subject line and you can change the information here. Okay. All right. So this is what I did, guys. So what I did is I like to harness the power of AI. Okay. I'm not that imaginative. I'm not that, not like, it's very hard for me to take something and recreate it and make it look better and more professional. So why not harness the power of AI? So I like using Chat GPT. Okay. You can use the free version. I use the paid version. It's $20. It saves my request on here. I can look them up at a later time. Plus, I don't get timed out because I use it quite a bit. So I'm going to share with you guys how I took the information on the email that was already there and made it better. And then I can share a link where I took the email that I'm sharing. I can share that with you guys if you want to copy and paste it. Okay. All right. So let's rock and roll here.
This video is being sponsored by Agent CRM. Agent CRM is a CRM that I use for my agency for every line of business: auto, home, life, commercial, Medicare, and ACA. It should be the CRM that you use too. Click up here to get some more information.
All right, this is my sharing the Chat GPT screen. So I went on here and this is how it started. So I like to give Chat GPT some context to work on. So I tell it, I am an insurance agent sending an email to my book of business about their 2025 health insurance renewal. Make the renewal email better and more professional. And then I copied the email that was already there. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do next is this. Typed it in there and I hit enter. And this is what Chat GPT tells me. Here's a more polished, professional version. And it gave me this. And I'm like, okay, I like this. Then I went back and said, hey, instead of visit our website, change that to renew your plan online. So it gave me this. I'm like, you know what? I don't like this. Flip-flop, I think, what did I put on here? I'll add that the renewal deadline is January the 15th. All right, so I added that in there. Then I went on here and said flip-flop the what to do next. Then I'm like, okay, great. I liked it. So then what I did is I took this information. I copied it. Then I went to this email, the template. Let me find the template. And I pasted it in here. And then down at the bottom, you will have send email.
You want to know everything about ACA or Medicare? Click up here to get my ACA and Medicare Smart Books.
Okay. Pretty cool. Pretty easy. Now, what is happening is I am getting a bunch of emails and text messages, even from my clients that I've renewed. I'm like, hey, I just took a call from somebody right now and it said, hey, I already renewed. I'm like, okay, I'm sorry. I don't know what the system, I blame it on the system, although it was my fault. But it shouldn't have sent him something. But who cares? It gives you another opportunity to talk to your insured. So I'm like, hey, I'm sorry. Hey, by the way, how's it going? You doing good? Hey, you may turn it into a cross-sell call. Guy was like, okay, I got to go click. And he was done. But, it just gives you a little something to work on. So that's how you send renewal emails through HealthSherpa.